Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the system, the watch turned on, and that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.